So, you dream of being your own boss. That vision of charting your own course, making decisions that directly impact your life and future. It's a powerful allure, isn't it? The freedom to create, to innovate, and to build something that reflects your values and passions. Working from a sunlit cafe, the gentle hum of conversation and the aroma of freshly brewed coffee filling the air as you tap away at your laptop. The image of location independence, of being able to work from anywhere in the world, is incredibly appealing. Setting your own hours, dictating when you work and when you play, escaping the rigid structure of the 9-to-5 grind. Imagine designing your day around your peak productivity times, maximizing your efficiency and reclaiming your time, building something from scratch. The satisfaction of seeing your idea come to life, of nurturing it from a mere concept into a thriving business, is a reward unlike any other. It's about leaving your mark on the world, creating something that lasts. But here's the truth. The unvarnished, unfiltered reality that often gets glossed over in the entrepreneurial narrative. Entrepreneurship is less a stroll in the park, a leisurely walk on a sunny afternoon, enjoying the scenery and the gentle breeze, and more like climbing a mountain, a steep, arduous ascent that tests your physical and mental limits. In the fog, visibility is low, the path is unclear, and the summit seems impossibly far away. Most people chase the dream, they're drawn to the allure of success and the promise of financial freedom, but few are ready for the grit, the relentless hard work, the long hours, and the constant problem-solving that are essential for survival. Sacrifice, the willingness to give up comfort, security, and personal time in pursuit of your vision. And resilience it demands, the ability to bounce back from setbacks, to learn from failures, and to keep moving forward in the face of adversity. The journey is filled with self-doubt, moments of questioning your abilities, your decisions, and your very purpose. And setbacks, unexpected challenges, financial difficulties, and moments when you feel like giving up. Not just highlight reels, the curated version of reality that's often presented on social media, masking the struggles and challenges that every entrepreneur faces. If you're ready for the real story, the unglamorous, often messy, but ultimately rewarding journey of entrepreneurship, stick with me. I'm here to provide you with the insights, strategies, and support you need to navigate the challenges and achieve your goals. Because knowing what's ahead, understanding the obstacles you'll face and the skills you'll need to develop is your best advantage. Preparation, knowledge, and a realistic understanding of the entrepreneurial landscape are your greatest assets. Let's dive into the phase, the critical stage where many aspiring entrepreneurs falter and lose their way, where most people give up. The point where the initial excitement fades, the challenges mount, and the dream seems further away than ever. Survival. It's about more than just making money. It's about persevering, adapting, and ultimately thriving in the face of adversity. Welcome to the survival phase. This is where the rubber meets the road, where dreams start to transform into tangible realities, and where the initial excitement of launching something new faces its first true test. It's a critical juncture, a proving ground for your ideas and your resilience. It's where making your first £50,000 isn't just a number, but a symbol. It represents validation, a sign that your hard work is starting to pay off and that your business has the potential to grow. It's the first major milestone on a long and challenging journey, but it also means facing the harsh reality behind the dream. The late nights, the constant problem solving, the financial anxieties, they all become very real. This is where the romanticized vision of entrepreneurship collides with the nitty-gritty details of running a business. It's easy to get caught up in the initial excitement and the grand vision, but the survival phase demands a grounded perspective. It requires you to confront the challenges head-on, to adapt and learn quickly, and to stay focused on your goals even when things get tough. Forget flexible hours. The idea of setting your own schedule often fades as the demands of your business take over. You'll work harder than ever, juggling multiple roles, putting out fires, and constantly striving to improve. It's a period of intense learning and growth, but it can also be incredibly demanding, and every awkward first attempt, every stumble and misstep is public. There's no hiding behind the scenes. You're constantly putting yourself out there, taking risks, and learning from your mistakes in real time. Cringe Mountain is real. The fear of embarrassment, the worry about what others think, it's a formidable obstacle that many entrepreneurs face. The feeling of embarrassment can be paralyzing, making you second-guess your decisions and hold back from taking necessary risks. And the fear of judgment, the constant worry about what others will think of your ideas and your execution, can be equally debilitating. These feelings of embarrassment and fear of judgment stop most people before they even start, preventing them from pursuing their dreams and reaching their full potential. The key, What's the secret to overcoming Cringe Mountain and navigating the survival phase successfully? Build a small, supportive circle of mentors, advisors, and fellow entrepreneurs who understand the challenges you're facing and can offer guidance and encouragement. And focus on serving one client exceptionally well. Don't try to be everything to everyone. Instead, identify your ideal customer and dedicate yourself to providing them with an outstanding experience. By exceeding their expectations and delivering exceptional value, you'll not only build a loyal customer base, but also gain valuable feedback and insights that will help you improve your business. Save every bit of positive feedback, every compliment, every testimonial you receive. Create your own brag file, a collection of evidence that showcases your successes and the positive impact you're making. Use this file to fuel you through tough days, to remind yourself of your accomplishments, and to stay motivated when you're feeling discouraged. Remember, every pro, every expert, every successful entrepreneur was once an amateur, a beginner who had to learn the ropes and overcome their own fears and insecurities. Embrace the awkwardness. It's a sign that you're stepping outside of your comfort zone and pushing yourself to grow. It's proof you're growing, learning, and evolving into the entrepreneur you're meant to be. Don't let the fear of looking foolish stop you from pursuing your goals and taking the necessary steps to build your business. Just take the next step, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem. Take that step, no matter how messy your desk is, how chaotic your workspace is, or how uncertain you feel. Your future self will thank you for pushing through the discomfort, for embracing the challenges, and for never giving up on your dreams. Next comes the income roller coaster. No more steady paychecks, just unpredictable highs and lows. The secret to surviving: build a business-specific financial buffer and resist the urge to splurge after a good month. Start thinking about recurring revenue, even if it's small, a subscription, a retainer, anything predictable. Predictability, even in small doses, is a powerful antidote to anxiety. Always have a plan for slow months. Use downtime to market, create, or learn. Turn low income into high investment in your business's future. This proactive mindset separates survivors from those who get thrown off the ride. Passion gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. Motivation will inevitably fade. There will be days you feel drained and question everything. Your why must be bigger than money or escaping a job. It has to pull you out of bed when passion is gone. Write it down and revisit it often. Create artificial accountability. Announce your goals publicly. Join a mastermind or set deadlines with friends. Motivation is fickle, but discipline is a habit. Show up even when you don't feel like it. Action often sparks inspiration, not the other way around. Start small and let momentum build. You've hit £50,000. Now it's time to scale. The hustle that got you here can now hold you back. You're wearing too many hats, risking burnout. Systematize everything. Set working hours, use templates, and aim for good enough over perfect. Borrow proven systems from entrepreneurs ahead of you. Customize later. Reduce decision fatigue so you can focus on what matters most. Shift your mindset from freelancer to business owner. Build assets and systems, not just trade time for money. Ask, can this be automated, documented, or delegated? That's how you build a business that grows beyond you. As you scale, imposter syndrome and resource gaps get louder, not quieter. Keep an evidence log of every win, client praise, milestones, skills learned, to fight self-doubt with facts. Reframe, I don't know what I'm doing, to I'm learning as I go. See your scrappy stage as an advantage. You're nimble, able to pivot and act fast. Don't compare yourself to big companies. Embrace your agility. Action is the antidote to doubt. You don't need full confidence to move forward. Be brave enough to act anyway. Every step through fear builds your confidence muscle. Hitting £100,000 is a significant milestone, a moment to celebrate the hard work and dedication that got you there. It's a testament to your vision, your team, and the value you're providing to your customers. Take a moment to acknowledge this achievement and let it fuel your ambition for what's to come. But as you continue on your journey, you'll inevitably encounter growing pains. Old systems, the ones that served you well in the early days, will start to break under the weight of increased demand and complexity. This is a natural part of the growth process. As you grow, the cracks in your foundation will become more apparent. What once seemed manageable will start to feel overwhelming. What worked before, the processes and tools that got you to this point, becomes chaos. A tangled web of manual tasks, duplicated efforts, and missed opportunities. Spreadsheets, once your trusty companions, become unwieldy and prone to errors. Manual invoicing, a time-consuming and inefficient process, starts to feel like a major bottleneck. Everything feels like a struggle, a constant uphill battle against the limitations of your existing infrastructure. It's time to shift from reactive mode, constantly putting out fires and scrambling to keep up, to proactive, taking control of your business and planning for sustainable growth. Invest in automation, streamline your processes, and free up your team to focus on higher value activities. And implement robust tools that can handle your current needs and scale with your future ambitions. Do this before you're desperate, before your systems completely collapse and you're facing a full-blown crisis. Build systems that are designed for growth, for 5 times your current capacity, anticipating the demands of a rapidly expanding business, not just double. Think big, plan strategically, and prepare for exponential growth. Document every process, from the simplest task to the most complex workflow, onboarding new employees, content creation, everything, so that your business can run smoothly, even without you directly involved. This detailed documentation allows you to delegate effectively, empowering your team to take ownership and responsibility. This is how you extract yourself, gradually stepping away from the day-to-day grind, from daily operations and the minutiae of running the business. This frees you up to work on your business, focusing on strategic initiatives, innovation, and long-term growth, not just in it, constantly caught up in the operational whirlwind. True sustainability comes not from quick fixes or temporary solutions, from building a resilient foundation, a solid infrastructure that can withstand the test of time and adapt to changing market conditions, not patching old systems, constantly bandaging outdated technology and inefficient processes. Don't get stuck, trapped by the limitations of your existing systems at a revenue ceiling, a point where your growth stagnates because your infrastructure can't support further expansion. Build for the future now. Invest in the systems and processes that will enable you to achieve your long-term goals. Growth brings complexity, more revenue streams, more distractions, more risk of losing focus. The danger isn't lack of opportunity, but losing sight of your core mission. Ruthlessly recommit to what you do best and who you serve. Say no to good opportunities so you can say yes to great ones. Every yes is a commitment of your time and energy. Spend them wisely. Use a simple decision framework to evaluate new opportunities. Protect your focus to propel your business forward, not dilute your efforts. The final challenge is leadership. Hiring means your role must evolve. You're now a leader, not just a doer. Managing people is a new skill. Your business can't outgrow your leadership capacity. Invest in leadership development as seriously as you did in marketing or sales. Set clear values and expectations from day one. Clarity empowers your team. This foundation frees you to focus on strategy, not just daily tasks. Which challenge hits home for you? Share your story below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest conversations about entrepreneurship.